Whoa. Seriously. Like, in your face. It's weird because I'm like looking down, even though I'm looking... Where am I supposed to be looking right now? But then I can't look at myself. Like, I can't. It's not like a mirror. Like I can't see like.
Effects.
Sure.
Mwah. Okay.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that can make you look really unattractive.
I like to hear your first love chemistry.
Yeah. Ooh.
Hello. Hi. I'm Maribel.
I'm Isabel.
And we're twins. And the year is currently 1837.
Yes, we have video cameras then.
Oh wait.
Contrary to popular
No, the year is 1942.
Okay.
No, we would be more right now.
And I really don't think they had video cameras even then.
Yes, they did, because they had TVs in the third.
Just random people did not have
My
a video
grandma
camera.
had the first TV in Oklahoma. Went ow. When she was a kid. I want to bounce on the bed.
Wow, you have a lot of energy for it being 3:08 in the morning.
3:08.
Yes.
Dominate. Do your funny voice.
Oh gosh. Okay. What do you want me to say?
Mockingbird Jordan.
Does my hair look good?
No.
What?
Answer it. Let's do it.
Oh my gosh, I think I'll lose now. I'm not even so positive. Lose so my hair looks off. That was rude.
We just lost bow tab. Don't make me mad.
Yeah. Well, he did make me mad, dang it.
I think we should start a new video and make it all mocking Uncle Jordan. Get it. That's not what Uncle Jordan does. That's what Britney Spears does.
Well, you brought up bow tabs, so...
Let's do it for the camera. Oh yeah, going to the club to get crunk with Britney.
Hey.
Yeah. No hair. And then, I can't do the city now.
Yeah, I know, I was gonna say.
Shawty, she thinks she's fine, find out to blow your mind. Shawty, she's back it up.
No, she
Get
thinks
on
she
the
back.
floor and shake that up. Shawty, she thinks she's fine. Something thick's gonna. Shawty, she thinks she's back. Get on the floor and shake that. Get it.
Get it, crap. Get it.
Oh. Get it. I'm a slave for you. I can't hide it. I cannot control it. I'm a slave for you. Something, and then oops, I did it again to your heart. Got lost, woo, in this game of bang bang. Oops, you think that I'm sent from above. I'm not that innocent. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Intoxicate me now with your loving now. I think I'm ready now. Now crawling on the floor.
With your loving now, I think I'm ready now.
Woo. I feel the adrenaline moving through my. No, you're in the stand.
Oh.
I feel the adrenaline moving through my veins. Spotlight on me and I'm ready to break. I'm like a performer that just runs the stage. Better get ready, I hope you feel the same. All eyes on me in the center of the ring, just like a circus. When I crack that whip, everybody goes with just like a circus. Don't stand there watching me, follow me, show you what you can do. Because it's for crack up, just like a circus. Oh wait, that's the sex. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, thank you.
I went down and got it for you.
Oh, you swimming ass.
Oh my god.
Road 2009.
Woo! I did great!
Everybody vote for us. Second
Yeah.
place. 1 point difference.
Second place? Are you sure that we
We
were
might have
second?
gotten third or fourth. We just know first only won by 1 point.
And that was the DZs.